So hello everyone. So, so I hope you all are doing well. So in this video, the main aim of this video is to give you a kind of my experience about how you should like have a particular perspective about software development or in the IT field. So if you have been in IT field or you are trying to get into this IT field on this software development industry, the very first thing which you need to you need to prepare yourself for a lifelong journey, because this tech industry is evolving every day in every way. So you need to be better. You should know what is your craft and what is the new technologies which are coming into the field which you are being, because in the IT or in the software development there are a lot of roles which are there. So you can be an software developer, you can be a data engineer, you can be a automation tester, you can be a QA analyst, you can be a security analyst. So depending on your profile, you must need to be up to date with the incoming the kind of advancement in the technology which are coming. The second thing is that uh, like there is always a thing of becoming better in something. So if you really want to have that kind of high, like a high package salary, if you want a like big money, if you want to get a big money salary, so for that the very first thing which you need to focus is on your skill. So you need to always try to learn new things. You always need to see new ways how a particular problem, a software algorithmic problem, or a kind of a way which you were doing in like in the past, how you can evolve the way in a more efficient way. So you need to make the processes more efficient as a developer, and that's why the companies are paying you the money, because you need to make the processes streamlined and more efficient so that they should not use more resources. So that's you need to focus on the efficiency, and this efficiency will become will you will get this knowledge about this efficiency, that how a particular system can be become efficient in a more better way if you are spending the time in that particular domain, whether it's a web development domain, backend development, or in data science, machine learning. So the more time you are spending on that particular craft which you are trying to get in, or which you had decided to choose that path, the more better you will become. So you need to spend more and more time. And if you want to, if you talk about my experience, like about me, like I really like to work with code. So I really like to solve problems, but sometimes the problems are quite difficult, and for that moment you need to lock yourself in a particular for a long lasting, like for a long hours, for a long time. And because you will not get the solution if you are not focusing on that problem, because you need to pick that problem and you need to work with that problem. You need to sleep with that problem sometimes, because like it's happened that you were not able to get that problem in a single day or in single in 1 or 2 hours. So you need to spend sometimes 2 days, 3 days in order to get the solution for that particular problem, or for that particular defect, or for that particular bug. So that's the thing. So you need to first you need to prepare your mindset that, yeah, if you are trying to get into this software technological field, yeah, it's good, they pay good amount of money, but for that it's important that you must have a good amount of skill into you, and kind of aptitude and the logical learning. You need to be kind of a man, like it's me, like I'm just talking about me, like I'm pretty much competitive person. So when I see a person who is of my same age, or like, so I see that person and I find like how is this person is different, like why this person is having some more skills, or is being in a top position than me, and I am here. So when I see this thing, like I used to always have a kind of competency in my mind, and I used to uh, put on some more work. I used to do some more work and more grind, so that I can be that person. It's not about that person, it's a kind of a feeling of like that satisfaction feeling which I used to get when I find like there is someone which is better than me and I need to be that person, or I need to surpass person in a particular skill set which he is having. So in this software development, there too you will see many people like of different coming from different diversity and different background, but still they are here. So it's pretty much competitive field, and if you want to be that person, so you need to learn the basics first, how particular system is built and how what technology they are using. So you need to be pretty much clear about this thing, that like if I'm talking about my way, like how I used to think. I used to think like, yeah, whatever thing which comes in front of me, I will take it and I will learn it, and I will first go through the basics of that, whatever the problem which I'm trying to solve. I will go through, try to see that thing first, and then I used to go inside it by debugging it well, and that's all. So the thing is that you need to be a kind of a person, like you should have a will inside yourself that yes, I want to become the perfect person. That's how you will going to acquire the skill. So you need to have a kind of mindset. Yes, the more harder the problem you will solve, the better you will become individually, not and like I'm not talking about in a professional way, but in a spiritual level. You also, like, you had some kind of evidence inside your mind. Yes, I am able to solve more and more hard problems. That means that I have a greater grasp of that core concept of the problem which I'm trying to solve. So it's a general talk. So that's all, guys. I hope you all got this hardcore truths about this software development and the kind of the IT field. So you need to put in some of your hard work into it if you really want to be at the top, if you really want to reach at the top level, if you really want to start something which you haven't started. You need to think about in that way, in a progressive manner. That's how you will become the great. It's not about becoming the greatest, but it's all about becoming better than the other day you were. So that's all, guys. Have a good day and keep learning. And if you had any kind of doubt, you can always reach out to me with my social handles, and I'm always ready to help people. And what are the problems you are facing? If you really want to talk, you can also talk with me. I'm happy to meet new people. That's all, guys. Thank you so much.